Hey guys, this is Rahul from PriceJugaad.com. I'm going to discuss about 6 drawbacks of Redmi Note 3 today. The first one is the brightness settings is not so good in Redmi Note 3. It is hard to use the screen in the daylight. Let me just open this mobile phone now. I'm just checking out this brightness settings. It's very low and it is hard to see it. I'm just increasing it. Now let me increase the another one with the automatic brightness as well. Now before that, let me check it out. So I'm just turning out it on the automatic, and it has become dim again. The sensor is also not good for the brightness settings here. So it is something like not so good and not preferable to use in daylight settings completely. You see, you can also look at the white screen is also not so visible. Though there is the clouds are very thick, or the daylight is very low, I couldn't able to see it very neatly also. So let me just close it. Second major drawback is the dual SIM card, which is available here right now. I'm just ejecting it. The major drawback is like we cannot use both the SIM cards at a time. You can either use another SIM slot, or you can use it for the micro SD extension, and this is a major drawback. Let me just open by ejecting this one. I'm just dragging it up down. Okay, so yeah, here it is. I'm just turning it up. So yeah, as you can see, it is mentioned there SIM 1 and SIM 2, and it is on oblique SIM 2. It is a micro SD slot. Either you can use that micro SD slot or SIM 2. SIM 1 is either, however, it is fixed and it is flexible, but we cannot use the dual SIM setting here. So you can use either a SIM or a micro SD card on another slot. So this is one of the major drawback. Second major drawback. Let me just put it back again. It has to be placed in the right order, I guess. So yeah, done. So the third major drawback is the screen is not Gorilla Glass. It is not made of Gorilla, of course. So it is though it looks very neat and shiny, but the thing is it is not scratch proof. I just recommend to use a screen guard before using it up, or put it up some tamper glass on it, because the glass is not friendly as of with other devices. The fourth major drawback is the phone mobile comes with a non-removable case. We cannot remove the battery or the back cover of the mobile phone. I'm just trying also with checking with other options. I'm not able to locate it anywhere in the mobile phone. And the fifth one is there is no option for the quick charge, as it is available in other devices when compared. That is a major drawback also. So the sixth one and the final one drawback is the camera clarity, which I'm going to tell you and show you how the camera clarity is upon for the Redmi Note 3. Let me just open the camera. As you can see on the screen, so all the color algorithm is not so well published here. I'm just taking up a snap here. It is fine, good. The depth of field is also good, and the greenery is not so highly contrast. So the clouds and all looks very dull. So not so good when compared to other devices in the daylight settings. Not also very good with compared to the iPhone 6 also. I'm also trying with the low light photography here. I just snapped here in the very darkness area. So this is the interior display of the mobile phone in the indoor lighting setup. It has to be decreased because it looks very bright here, but it is also not so good in the automatic brightness inside in. So finally, although this is a great phone, but you should be mindful of this small drawback before putting your money in buying this phone. So this is Rahul from PriceJugaad.com signing off. See you in next video.